Hi, I'm Jarvis, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your thermostat on your 4.5 12-volt refrigerator. You're going to need a couple tools. You're going to need a screw gun and a small Phillips screwdriver. You're going to remove a single screw on your thermostat housing. And you're going to carefully remove it from the slots in the back. There's two little tabs. You're going to take your small Phillips screwdriver, and right here in the front there's a small set screw. There's a little set screw right here. If you rotate it clockwise about a half a turn, that will allow you to cool more. If you go counterclockwise, that'll increase the temperature in your refrigerator compartment. Then you're going to just reinstall the two tabs into the slots and run the screw back in. And that is how you adjust the thermostat on the 4.5 12-volt refrigerator.